Welcome to Galaxy of Homes, your trusted guide to the UK buy-to-let property investment. If you've ever wondered, what is buy-to-let, and is it right for you? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about buy-to-let investing in the UK, from what it is, how it works, who it's for, and how you can get started even if you're absolutely new to property investment. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's dive in. What is buy-to-let? Let's start simple. Buy-to-let is a type of property investment where you purchase a residential property with the intention of renting it out to tenants. Unlike buying a home to live in, buy-to-let is all about generating income, typically through monthly rent, and potentially capital growth if the property value increases over time. Think of it as a mini business. You buy the asset, manage it, and earn passive income from it, and yes, it can be very profitable when done right. Why people invest in buy-to-let? So why do thousands of people invest in buy-to-let properties across the UK? Let's break it down. Monthly rental income, your tenants pay rent, and after expenses, that's money in your pocket. Capital appreciation, over time, the value of the property can increase. Tangible asset, unlike stocks, you can see, touch, and control your investment. Leverage, you can use a buy-to-let mortgage to invest with less of your own money upfront. Inflation hedge, rental income often rises with inflation. In short, property can give you steady cash flow and long-term wealth for the future. How buy-to-let works? Here's how the buy-to-let process works step by step. Step 1, you choose a property, often in areas with high rental demand. Step 2, secure financing either through cash or a buy-to-let mortgage. Step 3, purchase the property. Legal and mortgage steps happen here. Step 4, refurbish. Some properties need a little TLC before renting. Step 5, find tenants either privately or through a letting agent. Step 6, manage the property, collect rent, handle repairs, etc. Step 7, enjoy. Passive income, monthly rent, less any expenses. With Galaxy of Homes, we handle everything for you. From sourcing to refurbishing, finding tenants and property management, making it 100% hands-off for investors. Where should you invest? When it comes to buy-to-let investing, one of the most significant decisions you'll make is choosing the right location. The area where you invest directly influences your rental income, tenant demand, property management experience, and long-term capital growth. Therefore, it's prudent to invest in areas where you can access reliable property management services or collaborate with a company like Galaxy of Homes that handles everything for you. In summary, a great buy-to-let location isn't about buzz or hype. It's about rental demand, numbers that work, and a strategy that aligns with your goals. Galaxy of Homes employs a data-driven, research-backed approach to pinpoint ideal investment areas based on yield, tenant demand, growth potential, and ease of management, enabling you to invest confidently, even without extensive local knowledge. Your investment location establishes the foundation. Get that right, and everything else becomes considerably smoother. How Galaxy of Homes can help we get it. Investing in property, especially from overseas or as a beginner, can feel overwhelming. That's where Galaxy of Homes comes in. We provide a completely done-for-you property investment service, sourcing below-market value properties, refurbishment and furnishing, finding tenants and managing the property, ongoing support, and portfolio building. We're proud to help hundreds of investors earn hands-free, reliable rental income every single month. So, now you know what buy-to-let is and how it can help you build wealth through property. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss out on property insights. And if you're serious about starting your buy-to-let journey, join our next property investment webinar. Get the link in bio or description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.